If you've ever snapped a lug wrench in the rain, struggled with rusted bolts for an hour, or bought a high-torque impact wrench that couldn't even remove a tire properly, you already know how frustrating cheap tools can be. And the worst part? A weak impact wrench doesn't just waste your time, it can leave you stranded on the side of the road when you actually need it most. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best electric impact wrenches that are actually worth your money so you can stop guessing, avoid junk tools, and buy something that delivers real power in the real world. And hey, if you're into honest automotive tool reviews without the fake hype, hit subscribe. I test this stuff like someone who actually works on cars, not someone reading specs off a screen. I'll leave the best updated deals down in the description. And if you're trying to choose the right wrench for your car, truck, or garage setup, comment below, I'll help you out. Alright, let's start with number 5. Coming in at number 5 is the TaskStar, a half-inch cordless impact wrench. And honestly, this one surprised me more than I expected. Right away, you notice it's designed for practicality. It's lightweight enough to handle comfortably, but it still has enough heft to feel solid in your hand. The rubberized grip helps a lot during longer jobs, and the half-inch drive makes it compatible with the sockets most people already own. You've also got variable speed control and built-in LED lighting, which sounds small until you're trying to work inside a dark wheel well at night. In real-world use, this is a solid option for casual DIYs, emergency tire changes, and general maintenance work. Here's where this really stands out: it gives you enough usable torque for everyday automotive jobs without the massive price tag of premium brands. Compared to cheap no-name impact guns that struggle with seized lug nuts, this feels much more controlled and reliable. One honest drawback though, it's not the too light grab for constant heavy-duty suspension work or commercial use. But for most drivers, it gets the job done surprisingly well. Now the next one fixes a problem a lot of budget impact wrenches have: efficiency under load. At number 4, we've got the TaskStar cordless brushless impact wrench. And the brushless motor makes a bigger difference than most people realize. The overall build feels cleaner and more refined compared to older brush designs. It's compact, balanced, and easier to maneuver in tighter engine bays or awkward wheel angles. The trigger response is smoother, battery efficiency is noticeably better, and the brushless motor helps reduce heat during longer jobs. It also comes with useful accessories that make it feel more like a complete kit instead of just a bare tool. In real-world situations, this is a great middle ground option for people who work on their own vehicles regularly. Oil changes, brake jobs, tire rotations, this thing handles that stuff comfortably. This is what most people don't realize. Smooth power delivery matters almost as much as raw torque. Cheap impacts tend to feel jerky and inconsistent. This one feels more controlled. The only downside is that long-term durability still doesn't quite match the premium professional brands. But for the price, it's honestly hard to complain. Now we're stepping into tools that start feeling genuinely serious. At number 3 is the CCE impact wrench. And this thing brings a lot more muscle than people expect when they first pick it up. The design is aggressive, solid, and clearly aimed at heavier automotive work. You've got a high-torque motor, durable housing, and enough battery capacity to get through multiple jobs without constantly recharging. The grip feels comfortable even during extended use, and the included socket setup makes it easier for beginners to get started right away. In real-world use, this is where you start noticing a major jump in confidence. Rusted lug nuts, stubborn bolts, suspension hardware, this thing attacks tougher jobs much more aggressively than entry-level impacts. Here's where this really stands out. It saves time. And if you work on cars regularly, you know time matters. Compared to weaker impact wrenches that stall out under pressure, the CCE feels much more capable. One drawback though, it's a little bulkier than smaller compact models, especially if you're working in really tight spaces. Now if you've ever worked in a real shop, you probably already know what's coming next. At number 2 is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel High Torque Impact Wrench. And honestly, this thing is an absolute monster. The first thing you notice is the build quality. Milwaukee tools just have that heavy-duty, professional feel. The housing is rugged, the trigger response is excellent, and the motor hits incredibly hard without feeling uncontrolled. The M18 battery platform is also one of the best in the industry, especially if you already own other Milwaukee tools. In real-world use, this impact wrench is built for serious work. Seized suspension bolts, axle nuts, truck lug nuts, this thing handles jobs that cheaper impacts simply can't touch. This is what separates homeowner-grade tools from pro-level equipment. The torque delivery feels brutal in the best possible way. And yet, it still has enough control for smaller jobs when needed. One honest drawback? It's expensive. No way around that. But if you use tools constantly, the reliability and power absolutely justify it. And finally, number 1, the Dual 20V Max Cordless Impact Wrench. Now this one takes the top spot because it hits the best overall balance of power, reliability, comfort, and everyday usability. The design feels incredibly refined. Comfortable grip, durable body, excellent trigger control, and enough torque to handle the vast majority of automotive jobs without feeling oversized or excessive. DeWalt also nailed the ergonomics here. It feels natural in your hand, which matters more than people think during longer repair sessions. Here's where this thing dominates in real-world versatility. Tire rotations, brake jobs, suspension work, stuck fasteners, roadside emergencies, it handles all of it confidently. This is what most people don't realize. The best impact wrench isn't always the most powerful one. It's the one you'll actually enjoy using consistently. And the DeWalt strikes that balance perfectly. Compared to cheaper impacts, the reliability difference becomes obvious over time. Battery life is strong, performance stays consistent, and the overall build quality just inspires confidence. The only downside? If you need extreme industrial-level torque for heavy diesel or commercial applications, the Milwaukee still hits harder. But for most people, the DeWalt is the smarter all-around choice. So here's the bottom line. If you just want an affordable entry-level impact wrench for occasional use, the Taskstar is a solid pick. If you want smoother brushless performance without spending huge money, the TACU delivers excellent value. For heavier automotive work, the CCE gives you serious torque for the price. If you're a professional mechanic or constantly deal with seized hardware, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is an absolute beast. But if you want the best overall combination of power, comfort, reliability, and everyday usability, the Dual 20V Max takes the win. At the end of the day, the right impact wrench changes everything. Jobs become faster, easier, and way less frustrating. And once you use a good one, you'll never want to go back to struggling with breaker bars and weak cordless tools again. Check the description for the best updated deals on all these impact wrenches, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews, and comment below if you want help choosing the right setup for your garage. You now know more than 90% of buyers out there go make the right choice.